Good morning, friends. Today we will see build your story in the chapter interview techniques. When sitting down for an interview, it is very important for you to have a clear vision of your personal and professional story. Many people fumble over this during the heat of the moment, which is just one reason why staging a mock interview can be helpful. A mock interview will help you to practice explaining yourself to your employer, ensuring that you are able to clearly articulate yourself when it comes time for the real interview. The more times you sit through a staged interview, the more natural it will feel to present a clear story to a potential employer. The tips for building your story is identify weaknesses. Everyone has the everyone has at least one or two weaknesses when it comes to interviewing for a new job. That said, it can be difficult to identify your weaknesses unless you actually practice for the interview. As a result, mock interviews can be quite helpful in allowing you to understand what you need to work on during an interview. Then, nail common questions. While every interview is unique, it is not uncommon for certain questions to pop up no matter what the position might be. Surprisingly enough, some of the most common interview questions are actually some of the most difficult to answer. Staging a mock interview can help you to understand which questions you should expect to deal with during a real interview. Then, reducing interview anxiety. One of the main reasons why some people have difficulty during interviews is that they get into them with a great deal of anxiety. The fact is, you can drastically cut down on interview anxiety simply by performing mock interviews on a regular basis. Mock interviews help you to become more comfortable with the interview process, especially if you are new to interviewing. Then, feedback. After finishing with a real interview, it is not typical to get feedback from a potential employer. This is one reason why mock interviews are so helpful, as the person interviewing you can give you candid feedback about how you did. You can use this information to drastically increase your interviewing skills. Then, testing or assessment. It is common for employers to use standardized tests or work simulation exercises to assess candidates fit to the position or to test work related competencies. Testing is usually done after an initial screening process and can be a very costly process for the employer. So, this was all about building your story, accessing your strengths and weaknesses, and present yourself before an actual interview. In the next chapter, we will see top 10 interview questions and sample answers. Till then, thank you.